Alright guys, this is going to be a video on how to change the spark plugs and the boots and the wires of the spark plug. Alright, so first, this is a V6 3.4 liter, and I had to pull these out. These two were the easiest, and then I had to pull this one. This one's pretty hard. This is 200,000 miles. Alright, so I didn't use these before, but these could work good. You need some spark plug pliers. Alright, so if this is hard to, I pull these two out of my hand. So if this is hard to pull out, you have to pull this, put it in the loop. This is gonna be hard. Alright. Let's see. Alright, do that, and if it's hard, you have to pull and turn. So you have to pull and then do that while you trying to pull, or do it before. If it doesn't, okay, get out. Alright. Oh, I ain't got a flash. Alright. Back there is the other spark plugs. I already changed. I think it was, well, I changed one. This is the second one. Probably can't even see this. Alright, what you want to do back here is, alright, I'm back. Alright, so this is what I did. See that and that? I wish my light would stay. Oh, goodness. This is kind of hard, putting this light up here and making it stay. Alright, there you go. This is what I did. Alright. So I took these and dropped my dang on phone. Oh, this sucks. Alright, got it. This is what I did. So, I took the spark plug. This is the new one. Where I took it, and I kept twisting, and yanking on it. I'll probably show you how to do that. The one is on the left. These ones were numbered. It was 1 through 6. The 1 through 5 was in the back, and then 4, 6, and 2 was in the front. But I already got these. The new wires aren't numbered. But yeah, this is how you do it. You first you gotta twist it in with your hand, and then I think I already got it in there. No, that's taking it out. Oh snap! Twist. Oh shoot! Oh yeah, I am taking it out. I forgot. Whoops, excuse me. You gotta pull extra hard. But I'm using one hand right now. That's not gonna work. But yeah, I gotta. Damn, I wish I had. Now I dropped that one. Oh, you gotta turn extra hard, and you have to have a swivel socket. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay. Alright. So I broke you loose. Make sure you are turning counterclockwise. This ain't gonna work at all. Sorry. There you go. Keep pulling and twisting. I'd advise you to get okay, a magnetized one. It's way easier. Keep turning. It's gonna be very hard if you have an old spark plug. Okay. All right. Keep turning. Heck, they do. Turn. Yeah, that's pretty. This one take longer than another one. Take it. Alright. It's almost there. Oh, also for the little center that's in the way, all you gotta do is pull the clip. The little clip that's in the middle of this. Where is it at? I put it down there. Take it. I pulled this out after the little black part. All you gotta do is pull the clip, pull this part out of here, because it's gonna attach. And then when that's done, pull this one up, pull this part up, and then pull it back. And set this one down there. Bend this up, or don't bend it up, but fold this back, put it over there, and then continue to pull out the spark plugs. Alright, should be almost done. I sometimes do it by hand when it's almost done. Kind of pretty hard. Okay. Should be coming. There you go. Out. Oops. Lights out. It's out. Alright. Okay. Now, next up. Some people don't know about. Next up is, sorry for the camera being moved around. Old phone. These. Yeah, it's not gonna focus at all. These have to be gapped. My car is, it's around, let me see, it's around 2.0. Right there. I think it's millimeters, yeah. But what I like to do is copy off the old one. That's a smarter way. I'll take them out. Another thing is you might want to put the old ones in a box or something when they get done. And also, I use spark plugs, U-groove. Then so, got these from work. Around, I say, no more than $2. Alright, you have to move this. So with this one, I guess you're supposed to. I'm going to stand this up. You are supposed to do this. Mic it like that. Hopefully this one is already good. Nope, it's not. Alright. If it's not big enough, make it big enough. Put this piece through there. Pull it by the metal, not the white part. Not the white part. Pull that back until you can get the precision. Or whatever y'all like to want to call it. Cold. Alright. Easy.
What are you doing now? Oh.
Right there.
Sorry.
Direct. Right on 2.0, but sometimes it go over, sometimes it go under. This one I don't really like to use. I had a one that's like on a stick. Somebody at work gave me. Alright, with this one, I don't know how to use this one. I just bought it. I'm guessing this is supposed to help you do that, but it's not big enough for mine. Yes, see, it don't fit at all. Oh shoot, my bad, it's off the camera. Doesn't fit at all. Nope, 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 nope. See? But this, I guess this is how you use this one. Oh, I don't know how to use this one. I wonder if it's like this. Nope. See? I don't use it. Sorry, I couldn't show you how to use that one. But yeah, it's my stuff is point corny. All right, when you get done with that, I like to use a socket with a little push button, and a release, cause it's not gonna fall off. And put that in there. Put that in there first. It's magnetized. See that? Rubberized one. I was told the magnetized one was better than rubberized, and also I bought it because it was already available. But it's very good to use because this is metal. All right. Oh shoot, the video went upside down. Okay, first that. Oh, I think I'll drop something. Pause this right quick. All right, it seems like it was nothing down there. Couldn't find them. I used the magnetized part. Oh, I can't even see it. Here we go. Used the magnetized part to try to get something out of it, but there was nothing in there, I guess. All right. Dang, this camera butt. Ain't got the light on it or what? All right. Here's to angle it. You have to angle it. Angle it that way. And then look at my fingers. Turn. Oh, is it in there? Yes, I think it is. Alright. Okay, there you go. I keep saying okay, there you go, and it's not going in. Oh, shoot, it was going in. So it was going in. Angle it, turn it. Fix my. Oh, there we go. What the heck? Alright. And turn. Heck no, you can't be in already. See? Turn it. Boom, boom. Nothing. Just turned all by itself. Alright. And to click. I don't know if you can hear that. Alright. So it clicked. Stuff's messed up. Alright, so where in the world I put that ratchet? Okay. There we go. Connect that. Put that in there. Button on so it ain't gonna fall out. Switch that over. Back to that side. Turn, baby, turn. That's how you get it in there. Okay. Well, I'm not freaking out now. Go in. That's why. Okay. Turn clockwise. Make sure your stuff don't swivel while you're doing it. Or whatever when you want to see it turn, move. Okay. That's perfect. Alright. Make sure you don't do it extra tight. Do it like so you can get in there, pull out. And then good enough. Start on the next one. Alright, on the next one. But first you have to switch out these. So I think I already put that one in there. It's connected already. I have to find holes though. Where is it? It's down there, yeah. Down there. I got cut up, so don't mind the band-aids. Alright, so feel for it. Feel, and then that's right there. Get in there. Slanted way. Okay. That's the dumb part. Let me pause this. Oops, so it was in there. Didn't mean to pause it though. But I guess I have to just turn it a little bit. It's in there now. Two by each other. There we go. These two is by each other. When you get them out, twist them either that way. Well, twist them that way and then twist them that way. And then yank on them, pull, and that's now I gotta put that back in. Okay. You hear that click? All right. So when you get it in there and everything all changed out, you got the new boots on there. Push the boots in, and then it's gonna click. If you don't hear it click, then it's not in. Don't push and break it if you don't hear it click. Just pull it out and then push it in. See if you can get a click. But this one right here, yeah, this the hard one right here. The hard one. Alright. So I'm going to pull it. Damn, I can't roll over there. Oopsie. I still can't see it. So that one. Okay, I gotta be slanted a little bit.